folks. What's up, folks? 24 Topps Chrome Update Sapphire at $2 random team number 22. Good luck here. Roll the dice. 4. Hard 4. Good luck. Teams first. 27 of them. Verified. To 4 we go. Fourth and final. Boom. It's the Diamondbacks at the top. It's the Reds at the bottom. Yeah. S-Buzz is yelling on pop. S-Buzz is on pop. To your guys' name, should be 27. It is. To 4 we go. Fourth and final. It's barbecue chicken at the top. It's barbecue chicken at the bottom. 4, 4 to a 4. 4s across the board. Win, place, show. And before we get any further, we're going back to our randomizer here. Left, right. Boom. Roll it. An 11, really? I'm going to just keep it next time with the whatever the roll is.
There's Kat.
Hey, Miss Hammer. 11. Right.
You
Boom.
smell good today.
I do smell good today. I smell good today, yeah.
Smells it.
Right wins it. I'll write it down. Right? That was crazy.
Your day so far?
Yeah, pretty good. We've been busy. Busy with this Sapphire.
Ooh, Nadella Cruz is sick. The cards are so nice.
They're beautiful. And this is Ellie Auto.
Ooh.
It's just obviously redemption.
Yeah.
Just redemption. Ellie's too busy.
Be nice when you see it.
Right? Exactly. Let's
He's
alphabetize.
sick.
No.
He's sick.
I didn't even see. I'm not sick. They say my voice is all.
It's a little raspy.
It is a little raspy, but I feel great. I feel good.
I'm so used to it. Do you not know Hama, my husband? He's loud, guys. I'm so used to it.
Are you on pop?
Yeah.
Oh, you are on pop. Oh my gosh.
Jordan came in and he was telling us supposed to close the door.
That's actually funny. Royals. That's so funny. Yeah. White Sox are combo with Soul Glow there for the Royals. Got the Philadelphia Phillies comboed with the Marlins. That's for TX. And then I got the Nationals comboed with the Twins. And that goes to Storm Bison. Bison. Right wins duels. All right, good luck here. Are there any sports on tonight? Is there like any sports on tonight? Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, she did. Made me sound like a monster. All right, we already ran the left-right duel. We are good to go here. Let's put our autos at the bottom. Good luck here, folks. 2-boxer random team number 22. Good luck. Here we go. And we are off for the Cardinals here. First in the print out of 50, it's Mason Wynn for St. Louis here. Goes to McCray. 1 out of 50. Let's keep it rolling. Soto in a Yankee uniform. How'd they not have him in a Met uniform? Imagine. Error card, but not really. Gold, Oakland. Alex Wood here out of 50. 44 out of 50 of Alex Wood. Oakland and McRae. Kirby Yates, McCutcheon. Pitchers galore. There's Jackson with a black. Jackson rookie debut. For the Rays here, it's Rene Pinto. Rene Pinto out of 10. I reckon. I reckon. That's all they say in Peaky Blinders. When I was on my Peaky Blinders kick, it was reckon. Now that I'm watching Sopranos, I'm saying marron. Marron. On my marron kick. Keep it rolling. One more pack here. That's insane. That's insane, Chad. Let's go. I'll have to add more for you guys. Jackson Holiday on the base. It's a great question, Zill. Hopefully I'm not saying anything too canceling. Hopefully I'm not canceling myself every time I say it. Escamaria Nationals. Where are the fucking Yankees? Okay. South, you guys gotta move it. You guys gotta move it. It's up to you guys. If you guys want it to go tonight, you guys gotta move it. We're gonna be super busy here with this product for tonight, so if you guys can get a push on it. At a 99 here on our green autograph, Detroit. Another Cole Keith. Cole Keith coming out. Cole Keith coming out. Are we canceled, Zill? Are we canceled? Yeah, it's definitely all over the place, Mr. Colt Keats. Yep, sorry. Oh, it does? Cool, good. That's what I figured. Something like that. Blaze Alexander. Forget what the, Whoa. What's going on? Blaze! Forget what my Portuguese friend used to say when they were... Something just like that. Their version of marron. Really? I love it, Chad. Let's go. I love it, Chad. Evan Carter. Evan Carter. Gold here. Michael Waka Flocka. That one? Okay, Zo, good to know. Good to know. Yeah, there's a couple that they say in there. In Spanish, all right. Oh, Bart, he's been insane. Polly Walnuts. He's been the man. Polly whacked Jimmy. It was great. Get the rat out of here, man. Okay. Good to know, Zill. Good to know. Merrill on the rookie. Banuelos and Crook here. It's Shohei. Have to top load Shohei. I don't make the rules. Merrill. What's up, Awase? Unfortunately, I actually didn't get to any of my Hector Neris. Okay, Hector Neris. I didn't get to any of my Sopranos because we were watching European golf. European golf was on the television, so unfortunately, marron. We didn't do a guess. Go ahead and get a guess in for this red here for 25 and Buzzbug credit. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Under that line, under that line. Go, 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 go. Hurry up. Get a quick one in. What's up, YJ? Get a quick guess in. Hurry up. Junior. Merrill on the rookie debut. Lean on me when you need something strong. I'll be your friend. Hurry up. We're going to show our auto off here. Showing our auto off here. It's going to be a gold autograph, but it's not going to be our guess. We are guessing our red over there. Noelvi here for the Reds. We already know that Ellie's a redemption, so I don't know why we even have that reaction, but just didn't realize it. 20 out of 50 here. 20 out of 50. 20 out of 50. Thank you, South Sliders. Thank you, South Sliders. I was waiting for that one. Oh my god. Here's our red. Good luck here. Good luck. No more guesses. No more guesses. For the Brewers here, it's Tyler Black. It's Tyler Black here on the black. On the red, I mean, not the black. A black would be cool. Chad. It's always how it works. Tyler Black here out of 5. Let's go ahead and give you guys the recap here. Here is your 2-boxer of 22. Lucky 2s. 2s across the board. Base, base, base. Gold here, Waka. Mason Wynn. Orange Blaze. Renee Pinto on the black. A black-red. A red-black, if you will. Whatever. Cole Keith out of 99 here. 31.99 for the Tigers. And a Noelvi Marte on the gold. I feel like that... Never mind. Nice gold. The gold looks pretty cool, actually. I don't know why. It looks different compared to all the other autos. 24 Topps Chrome Update Sapphire at 2-boxer random team number 22. Thanks.